Happy morning children, a warm welcome from Sheba Group of School online class. Hope that you are all fit and fine. Today our subject is English and the lesson name is our kitchen. Subject is English and the lesson name is our kitchen. What is a kitchen, ma? Kitchen is a place where we cook our food. Kitchen is a place where we cook our food. Now I am going to teach you about the objects in the kitchen. Teach you about the objects in the kitchen. Now I am going to show you the objects that are in the kitchen. Okay children, are you all ready to see the objects? Come on children. What is this? What is this, ma? This is a mixer. This is a mixer. Next one, what I am going to show is a kettle. This is a kettle. It is used for boiling water and preparing tea. The next one I am going to show you is a pan. P-A-N, pan. It is used to roast and fry the vegetables, fish, etc. Okay children. The next one is a cup and saucer. A cup and saucer is used to drink coffee and tea. The next one is a cutting board. A cutting board is used to chop vegetables and fruits. The next one I am going to show you is a bowl. A bowl is used to keep fruits, vegetables, everything in it. Okay, ma? Next. The next one is a churner. Churner means mattu. It is used to make a fine paste of grain and dals. The next one I am going to show you is a rolling pin. A rolling pin. It is used to make chapati and puri. Going on to the next one, this is a peeler. A peeler is used to peel the outer skin of a fruit and vegetable. Next one, a fork. A fork is used to eat noodles. Okay children, have you all eaten noodles with the use of a fork? Yes, this is a fork. Next one, strainer. A strainer is used to filter the juice. A strainer is used to filter the juice. Next one, a pot. A pot is used for cooking rice. Next one, tumbler. Next object is tumbler. It is used for drinking water, milk, tea, coffee, juice, everything. The next one is a grater. A grater is used to grate cheese. Okay children, the next one I am going to show you is a knife. A knife is used to cut fruits and vegetables. Now I am going to teach you a poem. Poem, Bender the Blender. Bender the Blender. Page number 17. Are you all ready to learn the poem children? Okay, are you all ready? Let's move on to the poem. There once was a blender, his name was Bender. There once was a blender, his name was Bender. When no one was home, he would come alive and roam. When no one was home, he would come alive and roam. All his friends would be there soon. All his friends would be there soon. The knife, the fork and the spoon. The knife, fork and the spoon. They would gather around. They would gather around and run all over the ground. And run all over the ground. Soon everyone is glum, hearing the car room, room. Soon everyone is glum, hearing the car room, room. They have to draw the line. They have to draw the line and wait until next time. And wait Until next time. Now let us see the rhyming words in the poem. Rhyming words. What is the rhyming word? Rhyming word is a word that has the same sound. The words with the same sound are called rhyming words. Let us see what are the rhyming words in the poem. Blender, bender, blender, bender. Home, roam, home, roam. The next one. Soon, spoon, soon, spoon, soon, spoon. The next one. Around, ground, around, ground, around, ground. The next one. Glum, room, glum, room, glum, room. Next one. Line, time, line, time. Okay children, these are the rhyming words. Let me now once again the rhyming words. Blender, bender, home, roam, soon, spoon, around, ground, around, ground, glum, room, glum, room, line, time. These are the rhyming words. Children, now I am going to explain you about the poem. What is the poem about? The poem is about a blender and his friends. A blender and his friends. In this poem there are 4 characters. In this poem there are 4 characters. Blender, a knife, a spoon and a fork. A knife, spoon, fork and a blender. Okay children. The blender is in a kitchen. The blender is in a kitchen. As soon as the owner goes out of the house, the blender what it does? It plays in the kitchen. It starts to play in the kitchen. As soon as the blender starts to play, his friends, the fork, spoon and knife also joins to play with the blender. They play for an hour. For many hours they play. They start to jump. They start to dance. They do whatever they want to do in the kitchen. Until what time will they do this? They will do this until they hear the sound of the car. Room, room. As soon as they hear the sound of the car, room, room, they all will go back to their places. All of them will go back to their places. As soon as they hear the sound, they all will become sad. Why are they becoming sad? Because they can play no more. They have to wait until the owner once again goes out of the house. Okay children, did you like the poem? Hope that you all liked the poem. Students, now we are going to learn the prose. The big offer. The big offer. Offer in this lesson means order. O-R-D-E-R, order. Page number 71. Page number 71. In this story, there are 4 characters. Ramu, recipe book, pot, mixer and a cutting board. Okay children, let us move on to the story. It is a very short and beautiful story. Okay children, Ramu was a cook. He runs a small restaurant and he makes tasty food. As he makes tasty food, he gets an order from a biggest party in the town. One day he gets a biggest order from a restaurant in a town. He wants to cook delicious food and deliver to the party. But on that day, he becomes sick. Sick means he is not feeling well. He was having fever on that day. He was not even unable to get down off the bed. He was thinking, how will I finish this order and deliver the food at the correct time? He was thinking and was very much sad about this because he was sick. At that time, a recipe book came. Sir, Ramu sir, don't worry. I will help you to deliver the food at the correct time, said the recipe book. Okay, Ramu said, okay. Then the recipe book went to the pot. The recipe book went to the pot and said Ramu was not feeling well and he was unable to cook. The pot said, I will help you to cook the food. I am big enough to cook rice, said the pot. The recipe book said, okay, you can join me. As they were walking, the mixer came. The mixer said, I am the fastest. I can cook food in minutes. I will grind the fruits and milk with sugar and make milkshake. Then the recipe book said, okay, then you can also join us. As they were going, the pan came. The pan said, I will help you in cooking also. I will also help you. I can fry and roast the food in minutes. Then the recipe book said, okay, you can also join us. Then they saw the cutting board. The cutting board said, I will help you by cutting the vegetables and fruits for cooking. Then the recipe book said, okay, you can also join us and let us all cook the food. Then all of them started to cook the food in a faster and good manner. They finished the cooking at the right time and the food was very delicious. After a few hours, Ramu came to the kitchen. He saw all the prepared food and tasted the food. The food was too delicious. He was very surprised and said to the recipe book, I can't believe my eyes. Who prepared all the food? The pan said, we all of us joined and prepared the food. Then Ramu thanked them and said, oh, how the food is delicious. I am very, very thankful to you. Thank you for all of you, he said. And he delivered the food to the party in the right time and he had a big income. This is the story, children. The timely help is very important, children. Like the recipe book, you should also help your parents and friends. Okay, children? Students, now we are going to learn the book exercise. Book exercise, page number 73. Okay, children? The first round letter. Circle the right word. Circle the right word. You have to circle the correct answer. Okay, ma? See the first picture. What is the picture? Knife, recipe book or your options. Knife, recipe book or your options. What is this? Yes, you are all right. It is a recipe book. R-E-C-I-P-E, recipe book. B-O-O-K, book. Circle the correct answer, ma. Circle the correct answer. Moving to the next one. What is this? See the picture. It is a fork. Options are fork and spoon. Fork and spoon. The correct answer is fork. F-O-R-K, fork. The next picture. What is this? This is a mixer. The options here is mixer and pot. M-I-X-E-R, mixer. Circle the correct answer. Okay, ma? The next picture. Bowl. What are the options? Bowl, pan. B-O-W-L, bowl. P-A-N, pan. What is the correct answer? Pan. P-A-N, pan. Moving on to the second Roman letter. Match the following. Match the following. You have to see the picture and match the correct word here. Okay, ma? Knife. What is this used for? It is used for cutting. Knife is used for cutting. You have to match knife with cutting. The next picture. It is a mixer. What is the picture? It is mixture. Mixer. Okay, ma? Mixer is used to make milkshake. It is used to make milkshake. The next picture. It is a pan. Pan is used for frying. Pan is used for frying. You have to match pan with frying. The next picture is pot. Pot is used to cook rice. Match pot with rice. Third Roman letter is listen, think and write. Listen, think and write. First one. Who runs the restaurant? Ramu runs the restaurant. The correct answer is Ramu. Who was the chef? Recipe book was the chef. Correct answer is recipe book. How was the food? The food was delicious. Delicious is the correct answer. Why was Ramu happy? Ramu was happy because food was ready. Hope you all enjoyed the poem and prose. Meet you all in the next class. Thank you children. Have a wonderful day.